King who would be man, son of a human father and queen of the seas. All the time I wasted trying to keep the promise I made to your mother.
You finished, old man?
You never sleep in the same place twice. Yet you keep coming back here.
I like it. It's quiet.
It's your inheritance. You're the rightful king of Atlantis. Our people suffer.
Your people. A brutal, petty, superstitious race.
Is the surface any different?
Nobody calls me king of the surface. What do you want, Vulko?
Guards near the stronghold have been disappearing. Snatchers from above.
Talk to King Orm.
Your brother.
Half-brother.
He's trying to fan the flames of war with the surface. He lies. Snatchers have come from the dark place. They're looking for it. The Motherbox, our people guard, is not safe. Go to the stronghold of Atlantis. Protect the box. The time has come. Take up your mother's trident. You can't turn your back on the world forever, Arthur. Above or below.